San Francisco. Yeah, hold on, guys. Look at the river. If it doesn't California, it's open. Okay, that was more than a trimmer. Everybody remain seated. We got Richard. Maker. You see it? Yeah, look out, Maker. Hold on, folks. This is a big one. Subway train is coming into the station. It's gonna kind of into that ceiling. Hey, look out on the left side of the trail.